How to connect your Wi-Fi extender to your IP camera network so you get smooth streaming without drops. Step 1. Place your Wi-Fi extender. Plug your Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet halfway between your router and the IP camera. Make sure it's in a spot with a decent Wi-Fi signal from your router. Step 2. Connect the extender to your Wi-Fi router on your phone or laptop. Connect to the extender setup Wi-Fi. You'll usually see its name on the network list. Open a browser and enter the extender setup page. Check the manual, usually something like 192.168x. Kiss smiley. Follow the instructions to connect the extender to your main Wi-Fi router. Once done, the extender will broadcast the same Wi-Fi, or sometimes a new one with _xt at the end. Small blue diamond. Step 3. Connect your IP camera to the extender's Wi-Fi. Open your IP camera app. Go to Wi-Fi settings and search for available networks. Select the extender's Wi-Fi name and enter the password, same as your main Wi-Fi, unless you changed it. Wait for the camera to connect. Step 4. Test the connection. Place the camera where you want it. Open the live feed in your app and check if the video is streaming smoothly. If the video lags, move the extender a little closer to the camera. You've successfully connected your Wi-Fi extender to your IP camera network. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.